Hey Scott, I've installed a plugin to connect the calendar to your Google Calendar. Now Google does have a way to do this without using a plugin at all, but it's not very flexible. So I like the idea of using this particular plugin. It's going to give us some flexibility as far as how the information is presented. So what I need you to do is connect your Google Calendar to the plugin, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing I want you to do is go down to the settings and choose Google Calendar Events. So that's the name of the plugin that I installed for you. At the top here, there's a button that says Add Feed. Click that. And you can put the title in here, so you could title this, Competitive Edge Class Schedule, or whatever you want to put in there. Then what we need to do is we need to get the URL directly to the calendar. How do we do that? Well, we open up our Google Calendar. So open up your Google Calendar. Once in there, over on the left, there's a place where your calendars are listed. Click on the little drop down here, choose Calendar Settings, and come down to this Calendar Addresses. Click the XML button, and here's the address that we need. So we highlight that and copy it to the clipboard. Now we're getting this warning that says that we have not enabled public access to this calendar, and it needs to be public in order to share it with the public. So we click OK, share this calendar, and we make this calendar public. Now yours might already be public, in which case you won't be doing that step. Alright, so now we have the address back to our WordPress site, and we paste the address in right here where it says feed URL. We're going to retrieve events starting today, retrieve them to the end of time. We probably need to retrieve more than 25, so you can up that to 50 or 75, whatever you think would be an appropriate number of events for people to be able to see. The rest of the default settings should be just fine. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff about the shortcodes. I'm going to be playing with that. Once I get it down, I will share that information with you and say, okay, this is the shortcodes we're using, this is why, so that way you won't be in the dark about it. But I don't want you to have to fiddle with the experimentation, because I'll probably try a bunch of them out and see which ones work or don't work. At the bottom here, just like other types of stuff, you have a button there to complete the ad. So you click the Add Feed button, and that will add that information in. Once that's done, send me an email, and I will start playing around with the display of the actual calendar information within the WordPress site. Alright, Scott, if you have any questions, give me a call. Otherwise, I think you'll be good to go. Talk to you later.